In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams for beginners. We will walk through the core areas you will use most often: starting a private chat, checking your calendar, joining a meeting, and reviewing your activity notifications. Start by opening the Microsoft Teams app on your computer. Once Teams loads, look to the far left sidebar. This vertical menu is where you move between the main parts of the app. To start a private conversation, click Chat on the left. This takes you to your chat list, where your recent messages appear. Near the top of this chat area, click the new chat icon. It looks like a square with a pencil, and it is the quickest way to begin a fresh message thread. At the top of the new chat, you will see a field labeled To. Click into that field and type the name of the colleague you want to message. As you type, Teams may suggest matching contacts. Once you see the right person, press Enter to add them to the chat. This opens the conversation so you can begin communicating right away. A helpful tip is to double-check the name before you send anything, especially if several people in your organization have similar names. Next, to view your schedule, return to the left sidebar and click Calendar. This is where Teams shows your upcoming meetings and appointments. You can scan your day at a glance and find the meeting you need. When it is time to join a meeting, click the Scheduled Meeting block on your calendar. This opens the meeting details, so you can confirm you have selected the correct session. Then click the Join button in the top right corner. This will take you into the meeting join screen and then into the call. Joining from the calendar is a reliable method because it keeps everything tied to the scheduled event. Finally, to keep up with notifications, click the Activity bell on the left sidebar. Activity collects your latest mentions, replies, and other updates in one place, making it easier to catch important messages you might have missed while you were focused on other work. That covers everything you need to know.